Hi, I'm Deetya and I'm in the ninth grade. And when my mom first told me about this workshop, I thought it was going to be boring. But when I first came here, the environment was very friendly and my coaches were very enthusiastic and very supportive. And our first day was very fun itself. And as the days came along, I did not want it to end, but it soon came to an end. And by the end of this workshop, I came to a realization that we should be thankful for what we have and not want more than what we need. And this workshop actually helped me a lot with my memory, and I would like to thank the coaches for helping me in this journey. And